Good morning and welcome to T-Hub Capital, the Investors Lounge, the podcast where we explore financial market dynamics, emerging trends, and the insights that shape successful investments. Each week, we'll delve into the strategies and analyses that drive our investment decisions. You'll get an insider's perspective on the factors influencing markets and the potential winners and losers of tomorrow. Subscribe to the podcast to stay ahead of the curve and make informed investment choices. Enjoy listening.
Welcome to T-Hub Capital's The Investors Lounge weekly newsletter. Today's date is the 16th of June. Let's dive into the week's stock market news. European markets roiled by political uncertainty and mixed economic data. European markets experienced a turbulent week, marked by political uncertainty and mixed economic data. The Stoxx Europe 600 index fell 2.39% in local currency terms, reflecting widespread investor unease following the strong showing of far-right parties in the European Parliament elections. All major European bourses suffered losses, with Italy's FTSE MIB and France's CAC 40 index experiencing the most significant declines. French President Emmanuel Macron's call for snap legislative elections and European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde's confirmation of continued restrictive monetary policy further fueled the uncertain political climate. These factors led to a sharp sell-off in European bond markets, with 10-year French and Spanish yields surging to their highest levels of the year. Midweek, the announcement of weaker-than-expected U.S. consumer price inflation data provided a brief respite, sparking a rally in European equity markets. However, this optimism was short-lived as the Fed's subsequent comments confirmed expectations of only a single U.S. interest rate cut before the end of 2024. Subsequent macro updates painted a mixed picture, with euro area trade data showing a surplus in April but industrial production unexpectedly declining. The UK economy also stagnated in April, with growth in services output offset by falls in production and construction. These factors contributed to the negative overall performance of European equities for the week. Now our insight into alternative markets. Cross-border M&A deals surge in Europe. Cross-border mergers and acquisitions, M&A, in Europe have experienced a significant upswing in the last 2 years, driven by factors such as globalization, technological advancements, and the pursuit of growth opportunities in new markets. This trend has been particularly pronounced in specific sectors, where companies are seeking to expand their reach, consolidate their market position, and acquire new technologies or expertise. Leading sectors in cross-border M&A are the following. Technology. The technology sector has been a hotbed for cross-border M&A activity, with companies looking to acquire innovative startups, expand their product portfolios, and gain access to new markets. The rise of digitalization and the increasing importance of technology across various industries have fueled this trend. Healthcare and pharmaceuticals. The healthcare and pharmaceutical sectors have also seen a surge in cross-border M&A deals, driven by factors such as the aging population, rising healthcare costs, and the need for innovative treatments. Companies are looking to acquire new drugs, expand their research and development capabilities, and enter new markets with promising growth potential. Financial services. The financial services sector has experienced significant consolidation through cross-border M&A, as companies seek to achieve economies of scale, diversify their offerings, and adapt to changing regulatory landscapes. This trend has been particularly evident in the banking and insurance industries. Industrials and manufacturing. Cross-border M&A in the industrial and manufacturing sectors has been driven by the need for companies to expand their production capacity, gain access to new technologies, and optimize their supply chains. The rise of Industry 4.0 and the increasing importance of automation have also played a role in this trend. Consumer goods and retail. The consumer goods and retail sectors have seen a rise in cross-border M&A deals as companies seek to expand their brands, enter new markets, and adapt to changing consumer preferences. The growth of e-commerce and the increasing importance of online channels have also fueled this trend. The outlook for cross-border M&A in Europe remains positive, with several factors expected to continue driving this trend. These include the ongoing digitalization of various industries, the increasing need for innovation, and the pursuit of growth opportunities in new markets. As companies continue to seek ways to expand their reach and strengthen their market position, cross-border M&A will likely remain a key strategy for achieving these goals.
Thank you for listening to this episode of Hub Capital, the Investors Lounge podcast. I hope you found this content interesting and inspiring. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss a single episode, and share it with your friends and colleagues who might be interested. To learn more about T-Hub Capital and our activities, visit our website, TIL014. You can also follow us on our LinkedIn page. See you soon. All the best from the T-Hub Capital team.